I'm from Hindi medium. I can't speak in English. How can I learn English? Who will teach me? Where to go? How to do? How to start? What to do? Would I be able to speak English fluently? How can I do this? I can't do this. It is impossible for me as I am from Hindi medium. Guys, if it sounds like you, then this video is going to change the mentality of yours. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia English Academy. My name is Sonia and I am from UP. So today is day 16 of my challenge, 30 days challenge of learning real life English, where we are learning real life English, where no cuts, no takes, no retakes, no filters, no editing, nothing at all. Everything is real, original and natural. Everything is being recorded in one short video. So guys, today I'm just gonna tell you, wait, before starting the video, guys, just please like the video and do comment that why do you want to speak English, how you are doing, what are you doing to improve your English, right? And also don't forget to subscribe the channel. It will inspire me, it will encourage me, and I will be inspired to make more such videos that will definitely be helpful for you only, right? So today I'm just gonna change. Before starting the video, let me tell you one thing, that this is one short video and if I make any mistake, then please bear with me. This is one short video, I'm not taking any cut. So today I'm just gonna change the mentality of the people who are from Hindi medium. They think that they can't speak in English. Then this video, watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video you guys are going to change the mentality of yours from I can't speak in English to I will definitely speak in English, right? So first of all, I just want to ask you one question. Have you heard APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, Sushant Singh Rajput, Kangana Ranaut, or Anupam Kher, MS Dhoni? Have you heard them speaking English? If not, then today after this video, please visit their speaking. Listen them. These people, let me tell you one thing, you would get surprised to know that all these people, they are also from Hindi medium. And you would really get surprised to listen their speech, their English, their flawless English, their fluent speaking, their confident English, their, what should I say, fantastic English. Once they were also like you, as you think that you can't speak because of you are from Hindi medium, they were also from Hindi medium. But and now you will say that they are celebrities, that's why they speak flawless English. Let me clear one thing, guys, they are now celebrities. Once they were like you and me, the common people. They also struggle to speak in English because their background was also Hindi background. Their environment was also Hindi environment. But they didn't stop there at the level that they are from Hindi medium. Everything was also impossible for them as it is for you today. But these people became celebrities, famous, world famous after first they worked on their skills. They improved their skills, they struggled their English, they practiced English, then they become famous. You can also become like them. No one can't imagine that a person who is not rich, who is from Hindi medium, what can become in the future. They themselves didn't know that Sushant Singh Rajput didn't know that one day he will become a famous actor. Kangna Ranaut, I was reading about her, once she was mocked by the media for her poor English. She was not able to speak English publicly. She hesitated a lot, and media made fun of her. But she also didn't stop. That was really appreciable. So first of all, before starting learning English, first and foremost thing is just to break the mental block that has been set in your mind that you are from Hindi medium. English has nothing to do with the medium, whether it is Hindi or English. Guys, you won't believe that lots of English medium students, I have told you just few names because they are famous. But lots of the people, millions of people are from Hindi medium, but they are good speaker. And you would really get surprised that I'm from UP, and I don't say what happens in other states, but in my state, lots of schools, I must say that 80% English medium schools are also like that, where students speak Hindi, they struggle speak English. Even the teachers in lots of 80% schools of UP, where English medium schools, the teacher, they don't speak in English, because if some teachers start to speak in English, students don't get the meaning, because they don't know, don't get explanation of in English, because their background is from Hindi medium. I am also the one of the best example of this, that when I was the teacher, I used to explain in English, only in English. 90% students were like, because they didn't care, they didn't listen. Why they didn't listen? Because they didn't know the meaning what I used to speak. They didn't understand the explanation in English. That's why I used to explain in Hindi also. So if the students from English mediums also struggle to speak in English, then why do you think that you can't speak in English? If you are from Hindi medium struggle, same is the case with the English medium students. They also struggle to speak in English, right? So English medium, Hindi medium, that really doesn't matter. That is the mental block. You are from Hindi medium, you have an excuse that you are from Hindi medium. That's why you can't speak in English. But what about English medium students? They are also like you. They also struggle. They also don't know what to speak. They also don't know how to practice. They also don't know the explanation of in English. So there is no difference between Hindi medium or English medium. That is nothing at all. It's just your mental. What should I say? It is only your mindset, mental block that has hold you from speaking English. So from today onwards, break this mental block. I am also from Hindi medium, and I say that I'm from Hindi medium, and lots of people who were the teacher in my school, they were from English medium. Their English was also like me. That is nothing. Stop believing your mind. Now I'm just going to tell you that what is the effect of your mentality, how when you repeatedly tells your mind, when you repeatedly say the same thing, that you are from Hindi medium, you can't speak in English, then what happens in your mind? What happens in your brain? Your brain, when you say repeatedly that you are from Hindi medium, you can't speak in English, you have spoken this sentence lots of times, uncountable times, that your mind has started taking it as positively, and your brain takes it as you can't speak in English. That's why it works like this. it works accordingly that you can't speak in English. It stops taking English. It doesn't accept English. It only accept Hindi. What is going on? I'm just telling you what is your mental process. With whatever you speak, it becomes your identity. Your mind has been set that you are from Hindi medium, you are from Hindi medium, you are from Hindi medium, you can't speak in English, you can't speak in English, you can't speak in English. And it is working like this only. It is working accordingly. For example, your mind accepts Hindi and denies English. Let's have an example of a what should I say, of a child. When a child is within 1 or 2 years old, what does he do? He loves his family. He loves his mother, his father, his brother and sister, whoever are living with him or her in the family. He loves his family, but he never goes to others. He hates others. He doesn't identify other than his family. You have seen in your family that the child who is living in your family, he loves you. You can lift him, you can love him, you can kiss him, you can do anything. But when an stranger comes to your home, he doesn't go to his or her lap. He fears. He loves the family. Getting my point? English works the same. English loves Hindi. Your brain loves Hindi like a family and hates English like a stranger. Same is for another example. Let's have another example of a dog. What does he do? He identifies the family member. He allows the family member to enter the house. When any stranger enters the house, he starts barking. Same is the condition of your brain. He loves Hindi. He allows Hindi to enter his brain and it barks when it finds English. He doesn't accept English, he only accepts Hindi. These are two examples to make you understand that your mind, your brain is working according to your mouth. Now the question arises what to do with that situation. There is nothing to do. The only thing, make familiar, make English familiar with your brain. Start speaking. I am learning English. I am speaking English. I love English. I am improving. I am growing in English. And speak as much as you can. Listen as much as you can, because the language develops by listening. Because when a child, for example, when a child learns the language, he listens first. He listens since the beginning but starts speaking after 1 or 2 years. It might be wrong that 1 or 2 years. At the age of 1, he starts speaking, if not properly, at least starts speaking. So the solution is listen as much as you can, speak as much as you can, repeat as much as you can, do practice all day, shadowing practice, mirror practice. So many practices are there. And today I'm not going to tell you any one technique, any one method, because today I'm talking about the mental block. If this mental block is not broken, whatever the practice you will do, that will become useless, because your mind has accepted that you can't speak. After that you will speak as many English, as much English, but it will be none of use. First of all, be positive for English, then your mind will start taking English as positively, right? And If you want to know how to make familiar English and how to pressurize your mind, how to make your mind, how to make your brain to start loving English, lots of activities are there, lots of methods are there, lots of techniques are there. But today I'm not talking any such method, because I have taken an oath of uploading one video daily, and I am uploading. So if you want to know the techniques, the methods, the activities, then you must visit my channel, as I am daily telling one technique, one method, one activity. So visit my channel. It is day 16. I have uploaded 15 activities, 15 method how to improve English. Because if I will be telling any method here in this video only, then this video will be longer than 20 to 30 minutes. But this video is basically is being recorded just to make you understand that you are able to speak English, irrespective of medium, irrespective of background, whether you are from Hindi medium, whether you are from Hindi background, Hindi environment, whether you are living in such an atmosphere where no one speaks English, that also doesn't matter. You have mobile. It is not only a mobile, it is the world. It is the miniature of the world. You can learn anything at any point of time. It is 24/7 is with you, so you can use it, misuse it. It only depends on you. Nothing is impossible. When I was the beginner, these mobile phones were not in common. We were the students and we were not allowed to have mobile, and it was not common. But instead, we learn English speaking. In spite of being a Hindi medium student, I learned it without phone. You are with mobile phone, but we learn it without mobile phone. So don't forget, if you don't have any source, we didn't have any source, any resource, but we had passion. The people which I told you the names, the Sushant Singh Rajput, APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, Kangna Ranaut, so many millions of people are like that. They didn't also have resources, but today they are speakers, they are confident, people know them, they are world famous, just because not only not they because they didn't care that they don't have resource. They thought that everything is possible. You only need to be consistent, hardworking, passionate, courageous, and what should I say, determined. Determination should be there, decision should be there. If you decide, how percent work is already done. If today you decide that you will learn, you will definitely learn. Nothing in this world can stop you from achieving your goal. Lots of examples are there. Elon Musk, Tata, Birla, lots of people are there. They were also once nothing, but they did impossible things. So don't think that English can't be learned. If you are passionate, you have your mouth, you have your eyes. Watch and speak. Practice, mirror practice, shadowing practice, speaking practice, whatever, explaining practice, repetition practice. Lots of practices are there. Try one technique one day wholeheartedly. Nothing is impossible. If I am from Hindi medium, I am from UP, and my city is not very smart city. It is I shouldn't say any bad thing about my city, but there is lack of resources, lack of technology. If we want to get success, we have to move from here, as my husband is also out of the country. But if I am from Hindi medium, I am from such an environment, I can speak in English. I can, if from Hindi medium school to English medium school, if I can study from Hindi medium school and I can teach in English medium school, then why can't you? Nothing is impossible. Now the video is going to be longer than 20 minutes and I have to stop this video. I have to end this video because I am a teacher by nature. If once I start to speak, it becomes very it becomes very, what should I say, uh, impossible to stop me. So I'm just watching the time. It has been 20 minutes and I can speak more than 1 hour at this time on this topic, but I don't want you to feel bored, because the points which I had in my mind, I had spoken. Now it's my humble request, try and please subscribe my channel. It will inspire me because I also don't have many resources, but still I'm sitting at home just due to my son is 4 years old and I'm alone here in India to look after him and to look after my household chores. Lots of responsibilities are there, that's and I can't go out for work. That's why I'm here sitting alone and making video. So please support me and it will inspire me. The subscription, when you subscribe the channel, it inspires me that yes, I'm doing something good for someone. If a single person will get inspired by my video, then I will be highly obliged that God has made me something which is inspiring someone to get, or what should I say, to grow, right? So please, it's my humble request, try and don't think that you can't do anything. Everything is possible. Even the word impossible says I am possible. So catch you in the next video. Look, my son has he's going and he was sleeping, that's why I was making video, but now he has here in front of me. Where are you going? Wait, I'm just coming. So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.